Hey, how are you doing? Welcome back. Today's quick tip, actually 2 quick tips for keeping your washing machine in reasonable condition. Tip number 1, when you finish using it, leave the door ajar. Yeah? You don't have to have it swung right open, but as long as there's air to get in there, it's fine. Helps dry it all out, stops a nice humid environment for breeding bacteria, which cause the smells. Second tip, this is a nice one. Go and get a bag of these. Soda crystals, around about £1 for a kilo. Fantastic. Periodically, 1/3 of a bag in there, stick it on a boil wash. Bob's your uncle. As soon as it's done, squeaky clean. Trust me, listen. No gunk, slime or anything else under there. Fantastic. And if you live in a hard water area like me, 50 grams in the dispenser drawer along with your wash will soften the water, which means less calcium build up, and more importantly, you don't have to use as much detergent. So there you go, 2 quick tips for the price of 1. Take care. Bye.